See a bit of oil that could just run down there. Oh my god, why? It's definitely coming from there. You can't see nothing from down here. So here's something. There you can see a little pipe sticking out. What is that for? Why shouldn't that be connected to something? Welcome back to our channel, guys. I hope you enjoy the show. So on that C-Class, every time I look at it, I'm just getting so depressed. I've decided to give it over to another company, and they will be giving me a report on all the cuck that guy made. Like, subscribe, comment. So guys, I know you have more for the what you call it, the SS. So this is how far we've gone. Stay tuned.
I don't know. This is totally bloody useless. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Mark doesn't know either.
It tilts the light up and down, but it's not.
But why only one?
For the driver's side.
Really? But that doesn't have to work, does it?
No.
Okay. The other problem is you cannot find bulbs for the holders. So now the closest thing I found was the H7. Okay, which can fit in there beautifully.
But you'll have to modify it.
No, then it's got a clamp. You see here? It's got a clamp, so you can clamp it on.
Okay.
The only issue is that this is a single filament.
So you can't bright it.
So I've got to now hunt around and see if I can find a halogen like this with a diameter to fit in here that can go bright and dim. So, but I just ran out of time this week. So, okay, so that explains it, hey? So you know your stuff. Because this one, I mean, they both fit perfectly into the housing. But I was wondering what this was for. So how would this have worked then? Just interesting.
It just tilts this bucket.
Oh, I see. Okay. It tilts. And how is it activated then?
I don't have a clue.
Anyway,
my dad did explain to me, but I can't remember exactly.
Well, anyway, so this is the next mission because we need to get that from Mark, and then he's going to start early in the new year. The wiring is done on the dashboard and all that stuff. So he just needs to connect everything up now. You know?
Hello. Say hello to the camera.
Kitty is in the box. On the box. It's going to look so lekker. Anyway, let's open here.
Bumpers. Is he selling this beetle?
I don't know, it's Sheldon. So
Yeah. Yo, it just misses, eh? Ooh, sorry. Got that on camera. Hey, your post box looks lekker, eh?
Post box? This Pat's box there. I've got the thing in there. That's the next mission to get that on now. It should work. We've got to, don't show this too much. We've got to clean up things here.
Don't show this too much.
So we've got to do that. But anyway, he's done all the wiring in here already. We just got to connect it all up now. See, but check now the grill. Just charging the battery because it wouldn't start this morning. Look how nice this
I
looks.
can't get in here, man.
Well, come this way around. You're skinnier than me. I just love the way this Lucas is on here. Check here. No? Isn't that beautiful?
It came out well. This side looks better than that side.
Yeah. Got the grill all together. This glass is skewed. I must get that straight. But yeah, And we've got to polish all the scratches. I bought the screws today to mount this all properly. But shit, it's going to look nice, man.
No, I think so.
Yeah? It's going to look so nice. And check the top of the bumper things, you see?
No, I looked at all of this last time.
Very lacquer. But now Gerald has forgotten something here. What the hell did he do here? Why didn't he put this on?
What is it?
It's supposed to go in between here, man. He's such a Charlie.
Oh shit.
It's supposed to go in there. Anyway, they got to come off again anyway to get the bulbs in and that. But I just wanted to see how it looks because, I mean, it looks so cool. Huh?
I wish we could pull her out.
You could try.
No, not now.
Just a little bit.
No, not now.
So this morning we just moved it back that far. And then we're trying to roll it forward again, but there's a brick in front of it, and then the motor wouldn't start because the battery was a bit dead. So
you reckon I must try and start it?
I don't know, let's see.
I'm taking my shoes off, no?
Yeah. Don't mess up my carpet.
Hey, it's getting in.
Okay, wait, just make sure it's in neutral now. And we'll still put that rubber thing on here. It's all the little things now. You have to start here because I need to choke it.
It feels like
It's
neutral.
in neutral. Yeah. Ignition and start. Let me just take this battery charge off. Just give me a second. And then Mark must come and
Is this in Is this in kilometers or is this in miles?
You should know. I don't know.
This plastic cover here looks cock, eh?
Yeah, I don't like that either. I think we must make another plan there. That's his ignition light. Okay, so let's hit the ignition.
Is it on?
Go hear the pump. Turn the key.
I hear the pump.
There. Okay, go. Start it.
Yo. Rev counter don't work.
No, we haven't connected it yet. Flip it over again to get all the wiring in. I just wanted
Can't you access from here?
I wanted it presentable for when this guy comes. See if you can reverse it a bit because it's running on 5 cylinders again. It's that needle I must change.
But the accelerator don't release.
Yeah, I'm going to put a spring on it, pull it back up. It's the carpets.
Which way is reverse?
No, wait. You know the fucking car. Wait, no, down.
It's that way and that way normally.
Whoops. There.
I can't hear much.
It's got a dead plug, or it's that needle I'm still
But
changing.
I feel a bit scared driving in there.
Well, go out now, take a picture from the front.
I feel cock scared driving it, to be honest. I can't get to my shoes now, man.
I'll do it for you, wait.
No, I'll get it, don't worry. Down. How does the door open?
I don't know.
Down.
Figure it out. Careful, down there. That door we gotta adjust. So lots of little things. That's all in niggle shit. Later on. Anyway.
Can't wait for the bonnet to come on. And all these bits must still go on. Front, yeah.
Okay.
Burning it.